Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka seng-seng Partai Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit haga khat pratrik rumpang arajar arpho kala pentip bakala jit inokit kam haga kerdan State Vice President Secretary but Treasurer uba Ernest Mauri President Leit bala jit nringut ki Vice President bakanto uba David Kharsati KC Boro John M Marang kakong Bianca Kendia Thomas Marang bat udipayan Chakrabarti lajit ru arngut ki General Secretary bakanto uba Singmule bat uba GC Nongben kat baik kakam treasurer lapen kamti hau Sawan Junjunwala ya kakam secretary lapen kamti hau ba Lakhon Biam kakong Marian Maring u Arvin Yadav kakong Bernadette Lingdo ka Sujata Chetri bat ka Arun Dhati Paul ya ba Christian Langstang lapen kamti kakam kum President Yuva Morcha pada kakam President Kisan Morcha lapen kamti hau Pramod Koch
newly elected Office Bearer of the Meghalaya State BGP, Shri David Kharsati. He was declared today to be the State Vice President, and Shri John Manar Marak, ex-MLA, he also was declared as the State Vice President, and Shri Dr. Kisi Boro, who are here in the dais, ex-MLA, ex-Minister, he also is the State Vice President. And Srimati Bianca Kendia, she is the outgoing Mahila President. She was today declared as the State Vice President. And Shri Thomas Marat, sitting here in the dais, he was declared as the State Vice President. And Shri Dipayan Chakrabarti, he also was declared as the State Vice President. And Shri Singmule, ex-MLA, ex-Minister, he has been declared as the General Secretary of the State. And Sri George Clarence Nongbet, he was declared as the General Secretary of the State. And again, we are having here the State Treasurer, Sri Junjunwala, Sarwan Junjunwala. And we are having 6 Secretary. I'll read out the name. Sri Lakhon Biam, MDC. He is a State Secretary, and Srimati Marian Maring as a State Secretary, Shri Arvind Yadav as a State Secretary, Shri Dr. Bernadette Lingdo as a State Secretary, Srimati Sujata Chetri as a State Secretary, and Miss Arundhati Paul as a State Secretary. Those are the State Secretary. And we are having the young and dynamic, newly appointed Shri Christian Langstang, MDC, as the Yuba Marsha President. State Yuba Marsha President, Christian Langstang. And we are having here newly appointed President, Kisan Morsha President, our outgoing General Secretary, Shri Pramod Koch.
Hakawai pat kalyang kani ka seng-seng Partai kemudian arngut ki MLA haka Sorkar Senrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala kadau bahkan simkhya dak bathau ka Komiti ban Ïakynduh yung Menteri Rangba ka jala Assam u Sabananda Sonowal ban yakren ban wengi kijing haki jaka khapun kani ka seng-seng Partai kala penpau ba ka Kirshan ya ka jingdawa pentrikam ya ka inline permit haka jala kala penpau ru bahkan Leit Ïakynduh ki bor badai pen pani keren nak pentawan penrung akloy ka ketian kasi haka 8 schedule.
The first point I want to stress today, that the top priority is that I have to carry forward the party. And second thing, we want to take up the developmental infrastructure and scheme that have launched by our BJP government from Delhi. As you are all aware, no? So many schemes has been launched. So we want that all this scheme should be implemented in the right way. That is the second point which I want to highlight today. And as you know, I want to speak something regarding with this interstate boundary dispute. Like, it's a long pending issue. All the political party, they use this as the election agenda. But when the election is over, no one think about seriously about this interstate boundary dispute. And you have seen from time to time it's happening, and some people they was shot dead, and so many incidents happen. So from the party will be proactive role, will play a proactive role regarding with this issue, and will meet the counterpart, the Prime Minister of the Chief Minister of Assam, and will make a team. Will make a team to solve this long pending issue. And the other thing which I want to highlight again today regarding with this unemployment issue. This is the big issue which I think it has touches to each and every family. So from now on, we have to conduct a survey deeply. How the youth, they got the share in the employment in the various departments, especially in the central government. So this few points, because today is the first day I have declared my state office bearer, and in due course of time we'll have a state executive committee to take up the matter. So another point I want to highlight today regarding with this age schedule. In this field also the party will play the important role that the Khasi language should include in this age schedule. So we'll have to make a delegation to Delhi and to discuss this also. We have seen in the newspaper, only due to this election and the election of organization, just we got the newly elected national president, Jai Prakash Naraji. So even me as the state president also, I was up, down, Delhi, Shillong. So now all the process has been completed, organization election and Delhi election. I think with due course of time, anything might come out. They are doing the study. You have seen in Assam Accord also, they have already done the study. I think sure for Meghalaya also, they'll do a study, and maybe they'll do some survey also, how to implement the IRP.
Implement IRP in the scheduled areas, like Khasis, Jantis and Garos is a scheduled area. So it belongs to the tribals, the land belongs to the people. So bringing IRP will actually introduce a different kind of a system. So there has to be a constitutional sanction, which is being studied actually, so that there is a feasible solution for the people in general. Just like recently this Assam Accord, yes, different accords are being implemented. Even for the Citizenship Amendment Act, it was studied. That's why the certain provision of scheduled and non-scheduled came in the Act itself. So there is a very in-depth study being done on the areas, the provisions, the people, the practices of the people.
I'm waiting for their call. If they need any help, I'm ready to take them to Delhi. Yes.
Actually, BJP will talk with all the different organizations, take their views, and accordingly it will be moved to the center on behalf of the party.
As a party, some rectification should be there. Observation will be there, no doubt. We want that good government, good performance. That is
So you are not fully satisfied with this government?
to some extent. Truly speaking.
Hakawai pat ka benta ka BJP kam shimla karan halor ka jingkili gino tho khubor la ka sngo hun ne em ya ka jingtre kam ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance halor ki jingkan no bamsam wat la ka lapan pa bakam sultanat di kam bamsam.
Now, you see now, local Thaw, they have taken up the case. So we are waiting for the report and already discussed at the center for this case. So it is in the court now. I think the truth will prevail. So let us wait for the court to decide.